In this video, I'm going to show you how to link a new page on an Orthopreneur website to the SEO footer that's created in the post areas in draft mode. You'll notice here there's a footer that's already created. You will always see this at the back end of every site. It's standard in the setup. However, you may need to go in and edit the written content. In this particular case, I have it all set up. You'll notice that I've added Damon braces, clear ceramic braces, and visible braces, and Invisalign based on the content that's included in the website. So you need to go back and figure out what it is that is needed regarding these different products. In the second paragraph here, you'll also notice that all the towns are listed with the zip codes, and what we're going to do is link the individual page for each town and zip code here based on the pages that were created for each particular area. Now, as we switch to this page here, this is the page that has already been created. You'll notice that it says Invisalign and Damon braces, orthodontist in Binghamton, and then New York is included. This was the page that was designed based on the products and keywords that are necessary when you're linking into the area. It also has all the written content, and you'll notice that there is actually a map of the doctor's office that we include at the bottom of the page. Once this is all created, but the page must be published so that it doesn't actually show in navigation. In order to see how that is done, please review the other video that I've created on how to remove a page from the navigation. So what we're going to do now is we're going to copy the URL, go up to view page so that you can view the exact URL that's already published. It cannot be a draft URL because it won't give you the link that shows online. It has to be an actual published page. Here I've actually called the page up, and you'll notice that in the line is the URL. You want to copy that URL, and you want to go back to the SEO footer page, and we're going to highlight the town. In this particular case, it was Binghamton, New York, where we're going to add the link. We're going to paste the link in. Now this is where it's going to change. If you'll notice that on this particular website, the website is being built offline because it has a current site online. So what we want to do is create the URL so that it will work with the domain name after it goes live. So what we're going to do is we're going to change mensch.orthoprojects to menschorthodontics.com, and then everything else will remain the same once the website goes live. When you're in the footer, you do not need to open this up in a new window. And then you want to put the keywords orthodontist, Binghamton, New York. Make sure everything is spelled correctly. If you only have one or two zip codes, you can include, but in this particular case, there are multiple zip codes, so that I am not going to include this into the code. Then you want to insert it. You'll notice that it's all highlighted underneath, and then what you'll do is you'll proceed and you'll do that exact same format for every other town that's listed. Once the footer is completed, you're going to go from the visual mode to the HTML area. And what you want to do is you want to copy the HTML code, not the visual code, but the HTML code. And you want to paste it into the widgets area. find the widget area, which is right here. You're going to go down into the footer area where it says text. Now there's multiple boxes in this widget. There's the footer boxes bar, the footer area. You want to make sure you click on the footer area. When you go to insert the text into the footer area, you'll notice that you'll see the Orthopreneur Marketing Solutions logo here, and then below it it says medium font, and then SEO goes here. What you do is you highlight where it says SEO goes here, you copy, you paste the code into that particular area, and you save it. And that will put the coded information that you've created into the footer area. Then you just close it. You go up to the area, click on the website, and what you want to do is you want to go to the bottom of the website and make sure that the coding is working okay, and that will be all the way down at the very bottom here, and then which is down in here, and highlight it, and just go down and check and make sure everything is working correctly. And that's how you insert links into the footer.